It rings, even when you're the only one home. And the intercom shows someone's already in. Michael works late. It's just him and his books. The doorbell rings, doesn't expect anyone. He checks intercom, someone's pressing the buzzer. The live camera shows a silhouette, but no one's outside. He rings the buzzer to buzz them out. The door never unlocks, and they still appear in the feed. He locks the door again. The feed shows two silhouettes now, inside his apartment. He moved out the next day, but the buzzer still rings at midnight when he's asleep.